Hello learners, and welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about indexing on a topographic map. Many learners think this topic is difficult, but it is actually one of the easiest sections in Mapwork once you understand how it works. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to read a map index, how it is created, and how to answer exam questions based on indexing. Let's get started. First, let me explain what a map index is and how we can work it out. The map index is always found next to the title of the map. For example, on this map, you can see the title Peter Maritzburg, and next to it is the map index 2930CB. Now, let's find out what each part of this map index means. The first two numbers are 29. These numbers represent the latitude of the map. If you look at the horizontal lines on the map, you will see that this map lies between 29 degrees south latitude. That is why the first part of the map index is 29. The next two numbers are 30. These numbers represent the longitude of the map. If you look at the vertical lines on the map, you will see that they represent 30 degrees east longitude. So far, we have 2930. Now let's look at the first letter, which is C. Imagine that the large area between 29 degrees and 30 degrees is divided into 16 equal blocks. Each of these blocks is given a letter from A to D. Our map falls in block C, so we add the letter C after 2930. Now our map index becomes 2930C. The large block C is then divided into 4 smaller sections. These 4 sections are labeled A, B, C, D. Each of these smaller sections represents a separate topographic map. This map is found in section B, so we add the letter B. That gives us the complete map index 2930CB. In many examinations, you will be asked to work out the map sheet next to the one you are using. Don't worry, this is very easy. Remember, the index to sheets is found on your map. You simply look at the index and move in the direction given in the question. For example, if the question asks, which map sheet is south of 2930CB? Move 1 square south on the index to sheets. The answer will be 2930CD. If the question asks, which map sheet is north of 2930CB? Move 1 square north. The answer will be 2930AD. The same idea applies if the question asks for the map to the east or west. Simply move 1 square in that direction on the index to sheets. Here's another question. A road leaves map sheet 2930CB through the northwest corner. Which map sheet will you use to continue following the road? So, you just move 1 step in this direction. This is the northwest direction, and this is your answer. 2930AC. Move north first, and then west. The last one, a river flows out of map sheet 2930CB through the southeast corner. Which map sheet will you use next? The answer is 2930DC. You just move in this direction. Now it's your turn. Using the index to sheets on your map, answer this question. If you are using map sheet 2930CB, which map sheet would you use if you wanted to continue to the east? Type your answer in the comment section below. I'll check your answers, and if you get it right, you'll know you've understood indexing correctly. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to my Blackboard Academy, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next Mapwork lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.